In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add outline in Photopea. First, open your web browser and go to photopea.com, the free browser-based editor that looks and feels a lot like Photoshop. When the home screen loads, click New Project. This opens a panel where you can set up your canvas. Choose a preset that fits your goal, like social posts, print, or custom dimensions. If you're not sure, a standard HD canvas works well for demos. You can also decide whether the background starts as white, black, or transparent. Once those options look right, click Create to open your blank document. Next, select the Type tool from the toolbar on the left. It's the icon with a capital T. Click once on the canvas and type your text. Use the top options bar to pick your font, weight, size, and alignment so your text looks the way you want. If your text appears too small, increase the size or zoom in to check details. Now look at the Layers panel on the right. Find your text layer, then right-click it to open the context menu. Choose Blending Options. This brings up the Layer Style window where we'll add the outline. On the left side, click Stroke. You'll see controls for size, position, blend mode, opacity, and color. Drag the size slider to set how thick the outline should be. For crisp text, position set to outside is usually the cleanest. Inside can slightly choke the letters, and center splits the difference. Click the color swatch to choose your outline color. You can sample from your canvas or use exact hex values if you have a brand color. If you want the outline to be softer, lower the opacity. For creative looks, you can change blend mode or switch fill type from color to gradient or pattern. Keep in mind that very large strokes can round corners on certain fonts, so adjust until the edges look clean. When you're happy with the preview, click OK to apply the stroke. Because this is a layer style, your text stays fully editable. You can double-click the text to change words or fonts at any time, and you can reopen blending options to fine-tune the outline. If you resize the text later and the outline feels too thin or too heavy, just revisit stroke and tweak the size. That's it, your outline text is ready to use in your design.